What we do here is we let u equal 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 to the power of 100 is the part that we are not going to expand out, of course. To replace dx, we work out du dx. Du dx is 2. So we get dx equals du divided by 2. So now our integral becomes this. Notice that the x has not disappeared. So what's wrong here? In all the other examples we did, x has disappeared, and we were left with the integral of a function of u with respect to u. Well, we can still do this integral once we realize that we can write x in terms of u. U equals 2x minus 1, so rearranging this we get 2x equals u plus 1, or x equals u plus 1 divided by 2. So we rearrange this to make x the subject. So we plug u plus 1 over 2 in for x. Now, you see here we have a factor of a half appearing here, and another factor of a half. That's a quarter. We take the quarter out, and we're integrating u plus 1 times u to the power of 100 with respect to u. Now this integral is still doable because we can multiply u to the power of 100 by u to get u to the power of 100 plus 1. And u to the power of 100 times 1 is just u to the power of 100. So we integrate u to the power of 101 with respect to u to get 1 over 102 times u to the power of 102. When we integrate u to the power of 100 with respect to u, we get 1 over 101 times u to the power of 101. And then we can put back for u. We can sub back for u. U is 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 goes in for u. And we have our constant of integration because our integral was an indefinite integral. It does not have any limits. So the important point with this type of integral is that if you do an integral and make a substitution, you take care of the difficult part of the integral. So you've collapsed 2x minus 1 down into a single term. You've collapsed it down into u, and you've u to the power of 100. But after the substitution, you can still see that x is caught up in this. Well, you don't have to panic here because you may be able to write x in terms of u, which you can do, and you still end up with something that you can integrate because the power part of this integral is just a single term raised to the power of 100. So, and you can easily multiply it into u plus 1 to get something that you can easily integrate.